Alright, I'm back. I'm gonna show you the full install and how I came to be with this little starter system I have. First let's take you out front. Here I have the hood open. They actually did the install instead of traditionally wiring it to the battery. We actually got it wired to my fuse assembly box. So wired it there. It's nice clean wiring. The company I went with did an excellent job. But after the install, it kept blowing fuses, so we had to get that right there with the red switch on top. 75 amp breaker, circuit breaker, like the big boys got. So back inside, like I said before, Pioneer 4900, 2 preamp outs. That's pretty much it. Does a lot of vibration in here against the roof. Back, little hatchback. And no, I don't play this shit loud with my daughter's car seat in here. So, but in the back, I got a Alpine 450 watt M450 RMS wired down at 2 ohms 4 gauge wiring kit, and 212 dBs. I forgot what the model was on here. You have that, and that's pretty much it. And standard audio, no gauge wiring, nothing like that going on. I mean, no 4-channel amp. This is all stock speakers, original door speakers. I stayed with because the truck is new, and I went with those. Some more Pope. I think they like 3-inch tweeters. They loud as hell for anybody that's 6 feet and taller. Is right in their ear. So yeah, so we got it like that. I'm gonna take you through a little trip in a second. A little sound test. I'm gonna use the most violently bass song I can possibly think of, which is Tupac's "Violent." So we're gonna try that in a second. Hold on.